Do you want to test your internet speed on Amazon Fire Stick? Then you are in the right place. Here is how to do so. Welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. Method: check the internet speed. Here is how you can run a speed test from Fire Stick. Open Settings from Fire TV Stick Home. Now select Network. Next, select your preferred Wi-Fi network and press the play or pause button on your remote. Now run a speed test and ensure high-speed internet connectivity. Ensure that your download speed meets the requirements for streaming at least 25 Mbps for 4K content. If possible, connect your Fire Stick using an Ethernet adapter instead of relying on Wi-Fi. This can reduce latency significantly. Resolve internet-related issues on Fire Stick. Now, if you have a lower internet speed, you can contact your service provider. Besides, you can perform these methods to boost the internet speed and performance level on your Fire Stick. Let's get started. Method 1. Restart the router. To resolve the internet-related issues, you can restart your router or modem. Turn off the router, wait for 30 seconds, and then turn it back on. This can help resolve any temporary issues with the router. Method 2. Restart the device. Next, you can power cycle your Fire Stick. Unplug your Fire Stick from the power source. Wait for about 30 seconds and then plug it back in. This can fix minor bugs and glitches that can be responsible to fix the issue. Method 3. Optimize Wi-Fi settings. If you are using a dual-band router, switch your Fire Stick to the 5 GHz band instead of 2.4 GHz. The 5 GHz band typically offers faster speeds and less interference. Ensure your Fire Stick is not obstructed by other devices. Move your router closer to the Fire Stick or use a longer HDMI extender to position it away from the TV. Method 4. Change app settings. If you are using specific apps for streaming or gaming, then check their settings for any latency reducing options. If you find the option Reduce Latency, and check if this helps. Method 5. Clear cache and data. Navigate to Settings, select Applications. Select Manage Installed Applications. Select an app. Then select Clear Cache and then Clear Data. Confirm the action and repeat for other apps. Method 6. Update Fire Stick. Go to Settings on your Fire TV device. Select My Fire TV. Then select About and check for updates. If available, download and install the updates. Method 7. Remove unwanted apps. Too many unnecessary apps occupy the storage space, leaving the device without enough bandwidth to operate optimally, leading to lag. Try deleting some apps you don't need. Go to Settings, then Applications, then Manage Installed Applications. Next, select the app. Here, we are showing this app as an example. Select Uninstall and finish the process as shown. Method 8. Disable Collect App Usage Data. Data collection consumes some of the system resources. So turn off the Collect App Usage Data feature and check if this can help fix the latency issue. Here is how to do so. Open Fire Stick Settings, select Preferences. Next, select Privacy Settings. If the Collect App Usage Data setting is on, select it to turn it off. Select Turn Off. Method 9. Factory Reset the Fire Stick. If latency issues persist, consider resetting your Fire Stick to factory settings. To reset, open Settings with the Fire Stick remote. Then click on My Fire TV. Select the Reset to Factory Defaults option. Confirm your action by selecting the Reset option. Let the resetting process complete. Do not press any button while the process is going on. Once done, set up the Fire TV stick anew and the problem should be fixed. Note that this will erase all your installed apps and settings, so you should back up before proceeding. And there you have it, the way to test the internet speed on Fire Stick and fix the internet related issues. We hope one of the methods have worked for you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and troubleshooting guides. Leave a comment and help others know which method helped you to fix this issue. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.